morning, everyone. This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. From last 12 weeks, USD-INR pair has been moving in a straight line, and it is getting weaker and weaker against dollar. From last 12 weeks, all data points are showing only one thing, that the pair has to move higher and higher. But from last few days, it is giving an early indication that the pair might be reversed. We do not know whether the pair will reverse or not. Let us analyze both the side story. Let me start with positive factor which can affect dollar rupee pair for coming days. So positive factor number one, FPI, who has been just selling in Indian equity and debt market for the first time since September 2021, they were marginally positive in the month of July. Second point, after a lot of outflow on news, we are getting some inflow on news. SBI is raising 11,000 crore. Yes Bank might get $1 billion on selling its equity stake. So flows are coming in. Third, from last week, we have seen that US economy data are coming on a negative side. Data number one, the service PMI was bad. Jobless claim is increasing. The manufacturing index was at minus 12.8%, lowest since May 2020. These are the three reasons which shows that there can be some kind of correction expected in the coming days. Now let us analyze what are the negative factor for dollar rupee pair. सबसे बड़ा negative factor can be Fed का meeting on 27th July. If Fed goes and says, was we are going to increase interest rate, by 75 basis point or 1% in next few meetings, and if they sound hawkish, all emerging market currencies will get depreciated and dollar index will move higher. Point number two, currency futures ka expiry is there on 27 July. Last time also at the same point of time, open interest was very high and which resulted the pair to get weaker against the dollar. This time also we have seen that open interest in currency future is close to $4 billion. That is also acting a negative point for the dollar rupee pair. Third, जो हमने बहुत बार बात किया है पहले भी, वो स्टोरी कंटिन्यू है. Geopolitical tension between Russia and Ukraine, higher crude oil prices, higher trade deficit, higher current account deficit. Those are all negative points for dollar rupee pair. Now if you have to conclude the view, we can say that 79.70 is a very, very strong support for the pair. Till the time the pair is trading above that level, we can say that it is in an uptrend. 80.10 is a strong resistance for the pair. We have to look out on 27th of July what the Fed is saying. Uske baad mein we can expect a breakout. If the pair gives a breakout above 80.10, we will see 1 rupee depreciation. If the pair gives a breakout below 79.70, we see 1 rupee appreciation. If someone asks me what is the probability, I will say that 80.10 का breakout होने का probability is 70 to 80%. Let us discuss strategy for thin margin exporters like agri exporter or chemical exporter. Most of them have started taking costing at 79.50 kind of level. If they have taken that kind of a costing, then we suggest them to cover 80% of their exposure between 79.80 to 80 kind of a level. For remaining position, open position, they can keep a stop loss of 79.70 and target for 80.30 or 80.40 kind of a level. Now let us discuss strategy for thick margin exporters. Thick margin exporters like textile exporter or engineering exporter. From last 9 weeks, we have been suggesting them not to book a forward, hold with a stop loss. Last week, we have suggested them a stop loss of 79.30 level. Now we are suggesting them to revise the stop loss to 79.70 level. If on Thursday morning 79.70 is taken out, they should not think anything and they should just go and increase their hedge ratio by 5%. Now let us discuss strategy for importers. We have been advising importer from a long time that they should hedge their import, probably at much lower level. Now, if someone has not hedged their import for next 30 days and Fed ka event is a riskier event. So before the event, what I suggest them, they should cover for at least 30 days import payment by buying at the money call option. If the breakout comes on the higher side, they are hedged. If the breakout comes on the lower side, they can participate by buying at the spot on lower levels. Let's discuss trading idea for coming week. Last week का GBP USD का trade call got executed, but the target is not achieved. We will continue to wait for that call. We are coming with a new call. Euro USD किसी को भी sell करना है. Range for selling is 1.02 to 1.0250. Target is 0.99 level. Stop loss is 1.0350 level. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar. फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.